Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech accessories to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have a game-changing product for all the iPad users out there, the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our in-depth reviews. Now, let's jump right into it. Introducing the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector, specifically designed for the iPad Air 5th Generation 2022, iPad Air 4th Generation 2020, and iPad Pro 11-inch. This screen protector takes your iPad experience to a whole new level. Let's explore what makes it a must-have accessory for your iPad. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector is compatible with a range of iPad models. To ensure it's the right fit for your iPad, just check the model number on the back. It's designed to work seamlessly with a variety of iPad versions, so you can enjoy its benefits regardless of your device. What sets this screen protector apart is the Paperfeel PET film. It's like magic for your iPad. Imagine writing or drawing on your iPad, and it feels just like putting pen to paper. There's no slippery surface, just precise control. Whether you're taking notes, sketching, or simply navigating your iPad, this Paperfeel film makes it a delightful experience. No more annoying glare or pesky fingerprints. The MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector comes equipped with an anti-glare feature that reduces light reflection. Say goodbye to distractions caused by glare, especially when using your iPad outdoors or under bright lights. Plus, it effectively resists fingerprints and grease, ensuring a clean and clear screen at all times. Worried about the installation process? Don't be. MOBDIK has made it incredibly easy to install the Paperfeel film on your iPad. They provide clear instructions and even an installation video to guide you through the process. Say farewell to frustrating air bubbles and misalignments. Your iPad's touch sensitivity is essential, and this screen protector ensures it remains just as responsive as your iPad's original screen. You won't notice any lag or loss of touch accuracy. It's like the Paperfeel film disappears, leaving you with a seamless and natural touch experience. Now, let's talk about the second-generation Paperfeel. MOBDIK has taken an already fantastic product and made it even better. With this new generation, you'll experience a writing and drawing sensation that's incredibly close to actual paper. The surface has just the right amount of damping, giving you more control over your creative endeavors. The Paperfeel texture of this screen protector better replicates the feeling of writing and drawing on paper. Your creative inspiration can truly flow as you jot down notes or sketch your next masterpiece. Plus, the high response rate ensures that every stroke with your Apple Pencil feels smooth and natural. MOBDIK has listened to users' feedback and made the second-generation Paperfeel even thinner. This improvement enhances image clarity without sacrificing the tactile feel or resistance that mimics paper. Say goodbye to discomfort during long-term use. Additionally, the special texture coating reduces wear on your Apple Pencil tips, prolonging their lifespan. In conclusion, the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector is a game-changer for iPad users who love to write, draw, or simply want a more tactile and natural experience. With compatibility across various iPad models, easy installation, anti-glare properties, and second-generation Paperfeel enhancements, it's a must-have accessory for unleashing your creativity and productivity on your iPad. That wraps up our review of the MOBDIK Paperfeel Screen Protector. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of innovative tech products. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.